Hello, Mr. Clark. I'm Raymond Fu. Today I'll be explaining question 1 from quiz 2. The first thing I did was assign 0 to the sum accumulator, and then I added a for loop, and then for I in range 110 to 518, which is our range, I put a 2 here so it skips every odd number, so it only shows even numbers. Then inside the loop, I put sum accumulator plus equals to I, so it updates the sum accumulator by adding each of the I value inside 110 to 518. Third thing I did was print the sum accumulator, and then final thing I did was print the sum of even int from 110 to 115 inclusively is string sum accumulator plus period. So it should print out this number, and I'll show you by doing this. Run module, okay, and then it prints out this. So that's how we know this is the right answer.